Well, it's that time again. It's time to get ready for this year's 4-day trek to California's ancient Bristlecone Pines Forest. We'll be going in July of this year. These trees are among the oldest living organisms on the planet. Some were just mere sprouts when Alexander the Great was conquering the world. Iconic images of their twisted shapes and beautiful bark patterns have drawn the world's photographers. In fact, if you can name a famous landscape photographer, they've probably taken photographs here. And so will we. But as they say on TV, wait, that's not all. On this trip, we'll spend a sunset at the otherworldly Trona Pinnacles. And we'll see the Alabama Hills, a location for most old Western movies and a whole lot of sci-fi adventures as well. And no, they're not in Alabama, they're here in California. And we'll motor up the road to the base of the magnificent Mount Whitney for this great waterfall. And when we get to the Bristlecone Pines themselves, we're going to spend 2 nights at the incredible UCLA Research Station at Crooked Creek, right in the heart of Bristlecone country. You'll not soon forget this beautiful lodge and the incredible meals by our host, Tim. But there's even more. We'll have a preliminary orientation meeting at the world-class photo facilities at San Diego City College. Plus, we'll have a follow-up show and tell meeting to share our work with each other. This has always been a great and memorable trip. And because so many come back year after year, space can get very, very limited. So if this sounds like a photo trek for you, check out the itinerary and full details on the site shown below. If you love photographing in iconic and exotic places, you'll be glad you came along on this one.